Okay, so my website is on speech language pathology and it focuses on feeding and swallowing. Right here is my biography, basically talking about why I want to go into speech language pathology and specifically feeding and swallowing and a little bit about my life. Here are the resources that I used from my friends in the class. I think these can be helpful in learning about speech language pathology, elementary resources, and elementary education if you want to work with kids, which I think I want to do. And then here are some web tools, which are basically sites that I use throughout this class to help me make my website and just like learn from. Um, these are my preferences, and these all kind of dive into SLP and like a lot of resources and activities that you can do at home. I find them very valuable. And then these are my technology projects. Here's the digital scavenger hunt that we had around LSU, and then I had to do one on basically teaching. So here's my digital story that I made. The Life of an Influential Man, and here's the storyboard for it that we had to complete. Let's see. Okay, so here is my PLE, PLN. So PLE is known as Personal Learning Environment, which is a term used to describe an environment that has specific tools, resources, and people for the sole purpose of learning new things. And then here's my PLN chart, which is Personal Learning Network, basically a group of people one connects with to gain more knowledge on a particular topic. And then here is basically my reflections of like blogs, creation tools, and microblogs. If you open that up, you can see basically what I said, reflecting on that. Okay, so next we have the website value evaluation that we did. Yeah, we had to pick a website and choose what we wanted to work on and basically just evaluate it. And then we can go down to tech blog. And so I just had to write a bunch of blog posts about like wikis and other things that we learned throughout this class, and speech therapy as a whole. And then here's my contact, and last revised in January.